Hey guys, I'm at the GRO homes, and this is the Affinity home site. And we just started this landscaping today, and we're going to be planting a bunch of trees, placing kind of a boulder retaining wall, and we're just super excited for this year's parade because it's in Ridgefield, Washington, which is my hometown and GRO's hometown. And our family's been here 110 years this year, so we're super excited to be a part of Ridgefield and to be a part of the parade of homes. And we can't wait to show you guys what we're going to do for Affinity Homes at this year's show. So this is John Colgate. I was just telling you guys about Affinity Homes. He's the builder, and their house is really coming together. Their doors are in, the interior is getting done, the cabinets are in, and they're working on this outdoor kitchen here. So what can you tell us about it?
We have dining area, full outdoor kitchen on this side. Of course, the serving window we're super excited about, and then natural real wood burning fireplace.
Well, thanks, John. We can't wait for the show. We got just a month out, and I think everything's coming right together.
Hey everyone, Alexa Lee, Experience Manager here at GRO. I'm standing behind the property of Lot 5 here at the parade. Affinity is building this home, and it feels like, gosh, it's just been an over-day transformation. This morning we were looking at fields and grass, and today we've got beautiful tall trees and some boulders set into place.